My Mexi-Mince recipe makes delicious little mini pies topped with a cheesy mash. Peel 700 to 800 grams of floury potatoes and pop them into a pot of cold salted water. Boil the potatoes until they're fork tender. Using a cutter between 10 and 11 centimetres, cut the pastry into circles. That size circle is just the right size for lining a muffin pan. Re-roll the pastry so that 2 pastry sheets lines all of your muffin pans. Prick the pastry bases with a fork and pop in the oven. Bake the pastry shells for around 10 minutes until they're lightly golden. Mash the potatoes. Add just enough milk to make a soft consistency and stir in 1.5 cups of grated cheese. Season the mash with salt and pepper and set it aside. Fill the partially cooked pastry cases with the Mexi-Mince mixture. Top with the mashed potato and pop back in the oven until golden and crispy and the pastry's completely cooked. If you'd like to try my little Mexi pies with cheesy mash topping, head on over to recipes.co.nz.